Action.
Unlock the keypad. Menu, installer configuration. The code in this room is 004, and press the up button. It is unlocked. Next, to adjust the schedule, we hit menu, set schedule, adjust the temperature per day and what time it starts. Hit set schedule again for the second setting the same day. When you're done, adjust the temperature. When you're done, advance to the next day and repeat the same thing. Set schedule changes the 2 times per day, advance day all the way through the week. When you're done, run schedule. When you're done with that, to lock the keypad, we hit menu, hold down the installer configuration button, push the down key until the lockout is on the keypad, push the up. Oh, I screwed the whole thing up. Turn it on, then push the up, enter the passcode, push the up, and it's locking out. You have 10 seconds to make any more changes. When that stops blinking, you're done.